Hey guys, welcome to Beginner Bits. If you want to add achievement badges on your GitHub profile like this, you are in the right place. Today we are going to see how to add the pull shark badge on your GitHub profile. So let's get started. I will show you how to add the badge on this account. If you want to make your profile look like this or even cooler, watch the other video after completing this one. First, go to your repositories. We need one repository for this. You can use an existing one, but I will create a new one for this demonstration. Next, we need to fork the repository. But you can't fork your own repository. Here's the trick. You need to create an organization first. Go to your organizations and create an organization. Now, go to the repository you created. You can see the fork option is available now. Fork it and choose your organization as the owner. Then fork it. Make some changes in this repository. I will add a new file. After adding the file, click Contribute and open pull request. Now create the pull request. Merge the pull request and confirm it. Next, go to your organization again. Then to the repository. Make another change, like adding a new file. Click Contribute and open pull request. Create the pull request and then merge it and confirm the merge. And that's it. If we check the profile now, voila, here's the badge. If you haven't added the quick draw badge yet, watch this video. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.